Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to look at the Elevate 42-inch multicolor whip light. This whip light features 24 light modes, 15 different colors, and 5 different brightness settings. You can control these settings through the wireless remote. This whip light also includes a spring base and a flag holder at the very top. Power the whip light to any 12-volt power source. If you decide to power it through the Link system, you can then control on and off through the Link's keypad inside the vehicle, through the Type S LED app on your phone, or through CarPlay in Android Auto.